Oh, look at this. All this stuff is still here. Man's best friend. Yeah, no one's cleaned up this area. There's just stuff all around. Look at this. Oh, Jesus Christ. I took that to the fucking chest. Oh. It's funny, it empties out to a road right here that's not like really a trailhead. But it's a legal trail. Apparently that gate's been open lately, so I don't know if somebody's busted it open or what the deal is. With the gate being open like that, I'm actually surprised. I'll be surprised if I don't see a vehicle, but I don't see tracks. Well, because if you're not from around here, you'd be like, oh, huh, gate's open. Must be legit. Oh. He blends in. Yeah, slow down for you, old guy. Hulk Hogan dressed. It's like, hey, Hulk Hogan. I was kind of like, what is that? Oh, it's a person on a bike. And he's just sitting down, like, kind of not doing anything. I don't know if it was I wonder if it was an e-bike. It didn't look like he was pedaling. Yeah, this is pretty good decomposing granite. Oh, no, a sign. I thought it was somebody standing there. Shows you that's back when it was a road. Which is not that long ago. I've talked about it many times, but yeah, technically they could repair the tunnel and reopen it. And, you know, just run a bulldozer grader through here, clear out any fallen rock, cut any like branches like that, and it would be back open. Now us motorcyclists don't want that. The hikers don't want that. The mountain, we're all pretty selfish, but realistically, it is still a road. So, and I'm okay if they reopened it. It'd be kind of fun to have an alternate way to come up, especially with the amount of people, you know, to drive up. And you can tell at one time it was pretty wide in most areas. But still, you kind of get this like tunnel vision. Woohoo! That was a pretty good jump to the other side for this bike. Not epic, but it was in the air. go up. I was already facing that way. More of those stupid flags. I bet some tour group put them out because it was on that trail coming off onto this. Used to be harder. It's getting easier. Looks like they graded this. It does. Look, it's all pushed up. They've graded this. Okay, that's right. Why do you need to grade this? Was there some damage or something? Yeah, they came through and actually graded this. Just another flag. I just find it weird that they've actually came through and graded this. I mean, all these years. Well, now it's dangerous because you go too fast for a moto user and you know there's going to be hikers and mountain bikers. And it also made it so there's no soft areas. Or I mean, it's all soft areas, no hard areas. You're good. The old sign saying, you know, Forest Service or whatever. I'll go this way. Oh my God. There was like no one, and now there's like a group. You're good, thank you. Only going 15. It's nice that they graded it though. Oh yeah, because this is all fixed. That was where the washed out spot. Coast back down. Okay. It's always a circus. Yeah, always. They're like, what? Awesome. Yeah, they graded it all. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Idiots that park right at the gate. Michigan plate. That's bad parking. Should I take a picture? damage. Proceed with caution. Proceed with caution. Okay, Scotty. Oh, well, at least it's back to the pavement. Hate these Jeep tours. It's like, just drive out here, people. Yeah, he needs bigger mirrors on. He can't see around that seat.